If you think the push-up is just a basic exercise, think again. You are dead wrong. Science proves that this single movement has the power to build your entire body. But if you think it's easy, I have a challenge for you. I bet you can't do 5 real, perfect reps. Most of you are flopping around on the floor like a dying fish, calling it exercise. It's pathetic. It's embarrassing, and it's exactly why your chest is flat and your arms look like noodles. Today, we kill the ego. I'm going to show you how to turn the most basic movement into a muscle-building weapon. Before we build, we must destroy your bad habits. Here are the 3 crimes you are committing right now. Crime number 1, the banana back. You're not trying to mate with the floor. Stop sagging your hips. If your spine looks like a banana, you are destroying your lower back. Tighten your core like someone is about to kick you in the gut. Crime number 2, the chicken wing. This is suicide for your shoulders. If your elbows are flared out, you aren't building muscle. You're building an injury. Tuck them in. Crime number 3, the ego bob. Moving your head up and down isn't a push-up. If your chest doesn't touch the floor, the rep doesn't count. Period. Full range of motion or go home. Now, let's fix this mess. This isn't just a push-up. It's a full-body tension exercise. Step 1, hands under shoulders. Grip the floor like you're trying to crush a rock. Step 2, screw your hands into the ground. This creates torque. Step 3, squeeze your glutes and abs. Your body should be a steel rod, a solid plank of iron. Step 4, the descent. Pull yourself to the floor. Don't just fall, control it. Step 5, the explosion. Don't just push up, push the earth away from you. Now that you know how to move, it's time to work. I've broken this down into 3 levels of hell. Find your level and destroy it. Level 1, the awakening. If you can't do a real push-up, swallow your pride. Do incline push-ups, knee push-ups, plank hold. Do this until you graduate. Level 2, the soldier. This is where the boys become men. Standard push-ups, diamond push-ups, decline push-ups. Rest 45 seconds. Do it again. Level 3, God mode. You think you're strong? Try this. Archer push-ups, the one-arm push-up, and the slow death. If you aren't shaking by the end of this, you didn't work hard enough. Here is the golden rule. If it gets easy, you're doing it wrong. You want to grow? You need progressive overload. Add a rep. Decrease the rest time. Add weight to your back. Do not get comfortable. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Stop training like an amateur. Master your own body weight, and you will build a physique that commands respect. If you survived this video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to leave the weak behind. Now get on the floor and give me 20. Go!